Hey, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the Volkswagen Arteon. So this system includes three components, starting with the foot pack, and then the WingBar Evo load bars, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. So I'll go over some of the key features of this design and up-close look at the components. So starting with the fit kit, it includes four of the rubberized metal door frame brackets, as well as four rubber base pads. Each of these have numbers assigned to them, which corresponds to the numbers on the instruction sheet indicating exactly their position on the vehicle. So in some cases, each is different, and so that really indicates it being a very precise fit to the vehicle. Next, you have the WingBar Evo load bars. And here's a segment of it showing the cross section, which is a very sophisticated box beam extrusion. So that's very strong and stiff. Also, the box beam has a dedicated slot intended for certain accessories to slide directly into the bar. You simply open up your end cap and then your accessory hardware slides in without having to cut the rubber. So this bar offers excellent rigidity, excellent aerodynamic performance, and good looks. Then you have the foot pack. So a set of four of these feet are included. Now to begin the assembly of this design, you just take off the outer cover. You have the rubber base that presses against the bottom side of the foot around the perimeter. Just press it into place. And then next, you insert the door frame bracket with a simple click. Now here on within the foot, you can see that there's these tabs. Those tabs are what allow you to slide the foot onto the bar. So I'll demonstrate that. To do so, we'll take off the end cap. Also, on the underside of the bar, you'll notice there's this measuring scale. So that scale is set to the measurement assigned to it, also on the instruction sheet. Okay, so let's go ahead and press in the tab and then slide the foot into place up against the sliding scale. Now you also have included with the bars rubber to fill in the gap in between the end of the bar and the foot. That way you maintain good aerodynamics. Let's go ahead and put our end cap on. Okay, then included with the foot pack is a unique tool. So this is a special tool that as it's fully tightened, this handle will click, indicating it's been fully tightened to the right torque specifications. Then you have the outer cover. The cover just snaps into place. And there's a plastic plug that's included. You just turn that a quarter turn to hold that cover in place. Now you can upgrade from that plastic plug to an actual metal keyed lock cylinder. So that lock cylinder will take the place of the plug and give you a very effective theft deterrent that you actually lock with a Thule key. That's part of their one key system, allowing you to key match your roof rack with other Thule accessories and components and carriers. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the Thule Evo Clamp WingBar base roof rack system for the Volkswagen Arteon starting in 2019. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. For this product specifically, just look for the link in our video description, which will take you straight to your options to buy this as a complete pre-configured rack system. Also, if you want more in-depth, detailed installation information, we also have a link provided there so that you can see this system being installed completely from start to finish on a vehicle. Thanks for watching.